We'll guide you through how to create checklists in Trello. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and navigate to Trello's website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, select the board where you want to add a checklist. Click on the card you'd like to work with. You'll see a menu on the right side of the card with various options. Look for the option that says Checklist and click on it. A dialog box will pop up, prompting you to name your checklist. Give it a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. Once you've entered a name, click Add to create the checklist. Now, you can start adding items to your checklist. Simply type in a task or item and press Enter to add it to the list. You can continue adding as many items as you need. If you want to rearrange the order, just drag and drop each item into the desired position. You can also check off items as you complete them by clicking the checkbox next to each task. If you need to delete an item, hover over it and click the small trash can icon that appears. Checklists are a great way to keep track of tasks and ensure nothing gets overlooked. You can even create multiple checklists within a single card if you need to organize your tasks into different categories. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to manage your tasks using Trello checklists. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.